Hi guys, good morning. Hi guys, good morning. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yes guys, can you hear me? Anyone please respond?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. Here chat box is available. You can ping in chat box. If you are unable to speak, you can ping in chat box. Chat box available. Okay. So thank you. Yes. See, if anyone unable to hear me, if anyone unable to, if anyone unable to hear me, if anyone unable to hear me, please rejoin the session. Please rejoin. Just rejoin the session. Rejoin the session. Just rejoin. Yes, if anyone unable to hear me, please rejoin the session. Just rejoining a simple solution. Rejoin. Rejoin. Let me check it. Yes, Krishnaveni. This girl has to rejoin. Has to rejoin. Has to rejoin. Yes, has to rejoin. Select audio. Yes, automatically get selected. Select audio while joining. Yes, rejoin. Just a minute, please rejoin. Rejoin. Yes. So let us start session. See, yesterday nothing discussed. Just one introduction discussed. Yesterday, yes, your class 9:30 a.m. Yes, day one. Yes, that recording. Yesterday recording was saved already. Today I will share your Gmail IDs. Today I will share it. Okay. See, day one. Yeah, the yesterday topic nothing discussed. Yesterday just one introduction here. Okay, introduction just introducing about me. Next about course. Only that's all discussed. Day one. So this is day one topic. Today first day. Yesterday's one. Yes, I have saved that. Today's session. Yes, about me. About course. Prerequisites. About course contents. These things discussed. So about me. Introduction about me. Okay. So this is about me introduction. Okay. Yes. Yeah, this is Nageswar Rao, well-known trainer in the market. Okay, almost I'm the leader in the market in Java training, 23 years of experience. I most of the experience in Java, Hadoop, Big Data and all this. Currently working company Silotech Private Limited. So totally 18 projects completed in my whole career. Presently role in the project, solution architect on Java and Hadoop projects. This is my area of experience. Okay. Yes. So current project, 19th project. Yes, Java client Volkswagen. Okay. Yes, about your course Java. Just I'm giving just review. Just review. Yes, duration 75 days. Yes, exactly 75 days. Yes, the time 9:30 to 11 o'clock. Monday to Saturday classes. Next 3 demo classes you can attend. So what is services providing for you? Yes, recordings, next class documents, JDK software providing recordings. When come to recordings here, yes, around 70 recordings getting here. Yes, around 70 recordings. 71 recordings. Total about 71 recordings. So around 70. 75 days, exactly 75 days and 70 sessions. Only Sunday holiday. We're never giving holidays, only Sunday holiday. Only Sunday. It's strictly Sunday only holiday. 6 days classes. Okay. Yes, never giving holiday. Yes, my commitment will be like that only, sir. My commitment will be like that. Okay. So prerequisite to learn Java, nothing required. Non-IT background case also can understand that. So these things yesterday discussed. Okay. Yes, about course contents. Yes. Complete Java contents. Yes, complete Java there are 4 editions. In the Java standard edition, our topic is Java standard edition. Totally 4 editions. So ours is a Java standard edition. Java standard edition is Java technology here. Okay, after finishing this SE, next you should go to enterprise edition for application development. Application development. So Java, yes, this is core Java. Okay. Next, that yes, what are the course contents? All this, yes, all these course contents. These are course contents. Yeah, I'll repeat this topic. Don't worry. Yes, maybe some new guys today. For them, I'll repeat. Don't worry. Yes. See, so that's all about introduction. That yesterday's introduction. Okay. So this is your course. I'm repeating this is again. Course core Java, duration 75 days, time 9:30 to 11 o'clock. Monday to Saturday classes. 3 demo classes you can attend. That's it here. Okay. Yes. Let us start. Yes. Let us start actual classes. Starting actual classes. Okay. Yes. Java. Java. So first of all, what is Java? Simple question, what is Java? Simple question, what is it Java? Yes, anyone can you answer this? What is Java? What's your idea? What is it Java? Simple question. What is Java? Yes, anyone can you answer this? Anyone can respond? What is Java? Simple, there's a simple answer. What is Java? Yes, okay, let me check the answers. Java is a programming language. Good. Okay. Yes, next. Yeah. Yes, Gauri Shankar, Woods concepts. Yes. Next, Sharma, programming language. Okay. So what is Java? For the simple answer, one second. Hello. Hello. Okay. No, no. So just you close your browser. Close your browser. Yes, again open it. Close your browser. I can open and fill that form, submit it. Okay. Yeah. One second. Yes, some guys struggling to join. Yeah. So it's okay. One second. Yes. So yesterday all that introduction. Yes. About course, about me, about course, and all that introduction finished here. Yes. Today we'll start actual classes. Today we'll start actual classes. Okay. So what is Java? Yes. Question is simple question first. Starting Java. So what is Java? For this simple answer. Yes. Java. Yes. Java is a OOP language. Java is a OOP language. OOP means object-oriented programming. So what is Java? Java is an object-oriented programming language. OOP means object-oriented programming. Yes, OOP stands for simple answer. Yes, OOP stands for yes objects. Yes, objects-oriented. Object-oriented programming. Yes, programming language. Object-oriented programming language. OOP stands for object-oriented programming simply here. OOP stands for oops, one second. Yes. So OOP stands for object-oriented programming. So what is Java? Java is an object-oriented programming language. That's fine. Simple answer. What is Java means very simple answer. Yes, it's a object-oriented programming language. It's a object-oriented programming language. Okay, just it's a object-oriented programming language. Fine. Java software, JDK. JDK is Java software. Yes, Java. Yes, development. Java development kit. JDK stands for Java development kit. JDK stands for yes, Java development kit. Here JDK. JDK, this is from the Sunsoft. JDK, JDK, this is from the Sunsoft. From the yes, from Sunsoft. This is from Sunsoft here. Sunsoft. The JDK from the Sunsoft. Okay, Sunsoft. Yes, it's Sunsoft is a company in USA. Sunsoft. JDK from the Sunsoft. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. It is from the Sunsoft here. Sunsoft. Okay. See here JDK 1.0. JDK. See JDK 1.0. JDK 1.0. First version of Java. First version of Java. First version of Java. Okay. JDK 1.0 is a first version of Java. First version of Java released. Yes, released in the year 1995. First version of Java. JDK 1.0. JDK 1.0 is a first version of Java released in year 1995. Okay, from the Sunsoft. From the Sunsoft. Yeah, this company. So initially Java with Sunsoft. Java with Sunsoft. Yes, nowadays it's Oracle Corporation. Okay, presently, Java with yes, Oracle Corporation. Yes, the Java taken over by the Oracle Corporation. Yeah, that history also I'll explain. So presently with the Oracle Corporation, Oracle Corporation. Okay, presently with this Oracle Java. Okay, so Java from the Oracle. See, suppose downloading Java. When you downloading Java, yes, downloads. So JDK 1.8 or 1.9. See Java downloads. That will take to Oracle site. Yes, you have to download from the Oracle site. The Oracle site. Now this with the Oracle Corporation. Sunsoft taken over by the Oracle Corporation. So now it is with Oracle Corporation. Okay, fine. Yes. So JDK 1.0, first version of Java released in year 1995. See 1995. At that time, yes, I was in engineering. Yes, I was in engineering second year. Engineering second year. Yes, I know the release of Java very well. Yes, I was in engineering second year. Yes, that time I was learning C language. Yes, in our second year we had a C language. Learning C language. Just learning C language. Okay, in second year we have the C language and Windows OS also. Windows. Yes, I think Windows 1.2 version we have that time. Okay, 1995. Yes, very less software. Yes, we don't have this much of software in 1995. That time C language is a C++ is a less just a little bit Windows OS is available. At that time don't have Linux OS, no Java, yes, no Hadoop, no SAP, nothing. Very less number of softwares. C language is there, C++ is there, Oracle database is there. Yes, very less number of softwares that time here. So 1995, I was engineering second year. Yes, I was learning C language. Okay, my engineering, computer science engineering from JNTU, Hyderabad. Hyderabad. So 1995. Okay, so before releasing Java, already I was in software field. Started my software career. Engineering started 93 to 1997. 93 to 1997. Yes, immediately got the job. 97. After finishing engineering in Hyderabad itself, Motorola company, immediately got the job. Joined with job immediately, sir. So 97 to today, almost more than 23 years of experience. 23 years. See, first 4 years, sir. First 4 years, yes, worked on embedded C. Yes, worked on embedded C. Embedded C. Embedded C. Later changed to Java field. So 2001 changed to Java. Started Java, changed to Java field. Changed to Java field. Next 2013 started Hadoop career. Started Hadoop also. Now presently I'm traveling with Java and Hadoop. Java, Hadoop and Linux. Yes, Linux is a part of Hadoop, of course. So presently, yes, my journey with Java, Hadoop, Linux. So embedded C not working presently. So first 4 years worked on embedded C, later switched to Java. Now presently career in this fields. Okay. Yes. So JDK 1.0 first version of Java. So JDK 1.0 is a first version of Java released in the year 1995. Okay. Yes, JDK 1.0. Yes. JDK 1.0. Yes, released with the main features. Released with main features. Released with main features. So what are the main features? JDK 1.0. JDK 1.0 released with main features as below. First one, yes, independent of platform. Yes, independent of platform. Independent of platform. So first one, independent of platform. So first one, independent of platform. Yes. Next one, yes, portability. Yes, portability. Portability. So next one, portability. So JDK 1.0, first version of Java, released with main features. Released with main features as below. First one, independent of platform. So next one, portability. Portability. Yes. Next, Java is an object-oriented programming language. Okay. Next. So Java is an object-oriented programming language. Okay. Yes. After this, next one. Yes. Security. Security. Yes, we'll discuss all that features. I'll explain very clearly. Each and every feature I'll explain very clearly. 1 second. Yes, security. Yes, next. Yes, scalability. Scalability. So these are the main features of Java. Yes, JDK 1.0. So JDK 1.0 released with main features has they are the main features of Java. Yes, we'll discuss all this. I'll explain one by one. So what is independent platform, portability, group language, security, scalability? Yes, all these topics we'll discuss very clearly. I'll explain one by one. Don't worry. So I'll explain. Okay. Yes. Next. So 1.0. Next JDK 1.1. Second version of Java. Okay. Yes. Second version of Java released in the year 1996. 1996. Second version of JDK 1.1 released in the year 1996. 1990. Next year 1996. Okay. So JDK 1.1. Yes, this version. Yes, divided into three editions. Three editions. Initially, Java is only three editions. Later, fourth edition added here. See, JDK 1.1 released in the year 1996. 1996. Okay. So in 1.1, yes, sons of they have divided. They have divided Java into three editions. Divided into three editions. So Java divided. So JDK 1.1 Java divided into three editions. Actually, totally four editions. Totally four, but initially only three. Fourth edition later added. I'll explain that point also. So Java is in 1.1, JDK 1.1. Java divided into three editions. Yes, first one, yes, Java SE, JSE, calling as yes, J2SE, calling as J2SE. So this is Java standardization. Yes, this is Java standards, Java standard edition, Java standardization. Okay, Java standardization. So next one, yes, JW, called as J2W, J2W, J2W. Yes, Java enterprise, Java, yes, Java enterprise, enterprise edition, Java enterprise. Okay, so Java standardization, like Java enterprise. So first Java standardization, next Java enterprise edition. Okay, next, yes, JME. So with Java mobile edition here, J2ME, J2ME. Yes, it's a mobile edition. Java, yes, Java mobile edition, Java mobile edition here, Java mobile edition here. So these are three editions. There are three editions of Java. Okay, after that, next JDK 1.2 released. Yes, version-wise features we'll discuss. I'll explain very clearly. Version-wise features, yes, is a part of our course. Version-wise features next we'll discuss. This is not right time. Just explaining about history. The Java history we are discussing now here simply. Okay, that version-wise features we'll see next. Okay, so this is so first initially JDK 1.0. Yes, first version of Java. First version of Java released with main features. Released with all these features. Okay, next in the next year 1996, JDK 1.1. So JDK 1.1 divided to three editions like Java Standard Edition, Java Enterprise Edition, and Java Mobile Edition, three editions. Okay, next is JDK 1.2. So next JDK 1.3. So next JDK, so 1.4. Next JDK, yes, JDK, yes, 1.5. So 1.5, yes, next JDK 1.6. Next JDK, so 1.7. So next JDK 1.8. From this calling as Java 8, Java 8, Java 8. Next Java 9, Java 9. Okay, Java 9. Next Java 11. Yes, Java 13. Yes. Java 16 also released, but not officially released. Just internal release here. Java 16, but no one. Yes, no one using here. Yes, but that is not official release. Okay. Yes. No industry currently industry using up to 9 only here. 11 and 13 not using. Yes, in our current project, since last two projects, we are using Java 9. Since last two projects, we are using Java 9. Okay. Yes, industry, most of the companies using Java 8 only. Okay. Java 9, our last two projects are Java 9. Next Java 11 and 13 already our team updated this Java 11 and 13 also. We are ready to work with Java 11 also. Yes, any client is asking for Java 11. That case, we'll start working on Java 11. Okay. Yes. That's a good fine. There are different versions of Java in this main version JDK 1.5. JDK 1.5. Yes, released in the year 2004. JDK 1.5. Yes, in this out of all the versions, JDK 1.5. Okay, released in the year 2004. Yes, it is called as Tiger version. Yes, it is called as Tiger version. Tiger version. Called as Tiger version. Okay, Tiger. It's called as Tiger version. Tiger version. Tiger version. Yes, it is called a Tiger version. Yes, in this version, major changes were done. In this version, major changes were done here. Major. Yes, many features were added here. In this, many features were added. Many features were added. Okay, in this JDK 1.5, major change has been done. Okay, yes, in Java software, many features were added. In this version, many features were added. Okay, yes, in this version, fourth edition. So one more fourth edition added. Yes, fourth edition added. Okay, called as, yes, the fourth edition called as, yes, called as Java FX here. JFX. FX. Okay, Java FX. Okay, so JFX stands for, yes, Java FX here, Java FX, Java FX, Java FX here, Java FX. Yes, this is using for visual effects here, like movies and all this visual effects, for the purpose of visual effects. Okay, JFX, visual effects. This is for visual effects. Okay, so this is fourth edition added in JDK 1.5. Okay, so JDK 1.5 many features were added. See, with JDK 1.5, with JDK 1.5, yes, Java got the success. Java got the success. Java got the success here. With JDK 1.5, Java got the success. JDK released in the year 2004 with many versions, many features, many features were added. Yes, we'll discuss. We'll discuss compulsory each and every features. Yes. So 2004. So 2000 finally with JDK 1.5, yes, Java got the success. So finally, yes, finally Java got the success with JDK 1.5. Yeah, finally, yes, Java got the success with JDK 1.5. So here, how much time taken here? Yes, how many years? Yes, released in the year 1995. Released in the year 1995. Yes, 2004 got the success. Means almost 10 years it was taken. It was taken 10 years to become success. To become success. Okay. Yes, JDK 1.5. Yes, after JDK 1.6, JDK 1.7, like this one by one versions. Okay. See here, in the market, what was happening by the year 2010, 2010. Yes, by the year 2010, 90% of existing applications, existing applications were migrated to Java. Migrated to Java. Yes, existing applications. By the year 2010, by the year 2010, by the year 2010, 90% of existing applications were migrated to Java here. Yes, migration is done. Yes, reason I'll tell you now. So here by the year 2010, yes, 90% of existing applications, 90% of existing applications were migrated to Java. Existing applications, what are existing applications? 2010 year, that time before 2010 year, what are applications? Existing applications like VB applications, VB apps, Visual Basic applications. Yes, Visual. That time VB is the VB famous. Visual Basic applications. Okay, next VC++ applications. Okay, Visual Basic from the Microsoft, Visual C++ also from the Microsoft. Okay, next .NET, .NET, .NET apps, so VC++ apps. Yes. So Visual Basic is old one. So next is VC++. Next .NET, .NET apps. Okay, next yes, SAP applications, SAP applications, SAP apps. See SAP ERP applications. Next, Oracle ERP. So Oracle ERP, there are some various reasons for migration. I'll explain the reasons also. Next, some C applications and the C++ applications, like the different apps. There are existing applications in the market. There are existing applications in the market here. Okay, 90% of existing applications, like 90% of existing applications were migrated to Java because of its features. Because of its features. Okay, see Visual Basic compared to Java, less features. Visual Basic, VC++, .NET applications, a very less number of features. Not in that here, they're platform dependent. These are OS dependent, but Java is independent platform. Yes, because of the Java features. Okay, yes, we will discuss all of these things. What is independent platform, portable to OOPS language, and all these things. So what are the features? The features. Okay, because of that features here, Java is having more features than this one here. These technologies. Okay, because of that reason, yes, most of the clients attracted to Java They have migrated their projects to Java here to support many features, to fulfill their requirements, to satisfy the requirements here. They have changed to Java. Next, SAP applications and ERP applications. These are the SAP and Oracle. These are ERPs. It's a costly. SAP is a costly. Oracle ERP is a costly. Those are costly softwares. So maintenance cost, licensing is costly here. Okay. So most of the clients, because of costly, this is licensing is cost is more here. Because of that, most of the clients they have converted to Java here, migrate to Java here. Yes, Java providing yes features like SAP ERP, all ERP features. All ERP features you can implement in Java. So because of that reason here, SAP and Oracle ERP, these ERP clients also convert into Java. Yeah, okay, yes, this is one of my projects. SAP project we have converted into yes Java project here. SAP ERP project we have converted into Java. So because of that client, yes, he was not in a position to pay that much of amount. So this is maintenance cost is more. He was not in a position to pay that much. So simply here, yes, they requested us to yes to convert SAP application into Java. Okay, simply we have gone through the application. Yes, immediately we have converted. It was taken for 1 year. Within 1 year, we have finished the task and given to that client. Now client is very happy. Like that here, most of the existing applications, 90% of applications were migrated to Java because of its features. Okay, next year, yes. So by the year 2010, 90% of existing applications were migrated. Later, yes, in the year 2010, yes, in the year, yes, in the year, see, in the year 2010, yes, Java taken over by Oracle Corporation, taken over by Oracle Corporation, Oracle Corporation, taken over by the Oracle Corporation, right? Yes, once Java taken over by the Oracle Corporation, it has become leader. Okay, it has become leader. The Java has become leader. Yes, it has become leader in the software field. In the software field. Okay, software field after taken over the Oracle Corporation. Okay, so Oracle Corporation taken over this. After taken over by the Oracle Corporation, Java has become leader in software field. Just no doubt, Java is leader. See, currently, yes, almost 80% of current running applications were developed in Java here. So 80% of current current applications, current applications, current applications in the market, yes, in the market, yes, in the market, were developed in Java. Developed in Java. Okay, 80% of current applications were developed in Java here. 80% of application means yes, see applications, many applications in our daily life. We are using many applications like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, YouTube. Next, go to meeting, go to training. Next, food delivery apps, Flipkart, Amazon online services. Like this, many applications, right? All these applications developed in Java only. Company websites like Durga websites. Okay. Yes, our company, Silutech websites, like these different websites. Company, almost all company websites developed in Java. Okay, next, all e-commerce applications developed in Java. All trading applications developed in Java. Okay, banking applications developed in Java. Okay, like this, almost all existing applications, 80% of existing applications. Okay, in the see internet-based applications. Yes, all internet-based applications are developed in Java only here. Internet-based applications, all internet-based applications are developed in Java. Means lakhs of applications developed in Java, right? Lakhs of applications are developed in Java. Yes, we can give the support. If that application support, we can Java resources. Lakhs of applications were developed. So we can give the support here. Java resources. That's the reason there is a lot of demand for Java. Why Java has this much of demand? Reason is that lakhs of applications developed in Java. So lot of support required. Many support guys required. Java support guys. Okay, so many Java resources. So that's the reason Java has become evergreen. It's evergreen field here, never ending here, evergreen field. Suppose even in future, any technology comes, it will take minimum 10 years. 10 years, yes, to become leader. Now presently Java is leader. Suppose any new technology comes, which is having features more than Java, features more than Java, yet that will take another 10 years to become leader. But here Java is still updating this is Java continuously updating. Java is not stopped. Still it's is continuously updating Java. So many features, continuously adding new features to Java, continuously adding new features. Java development not stopped here. Continuously the Java software updating. So almost Java is leader here. Java is evergreen field. Once you choose your field, Java field, evergreen field. So next 25 years career, no doubt. See, around 2000 year, yes, I have chosen Java, right? Still I am working on Java. Okay, right? Yes, my life has become very cool. Okay, so here no tension, nothing. It has become cool because selected Java. Okay, selected Java. Yes, 20 years back only here. So 20 years ago, started Java career. Still very cool. Happily running my life because of the Java only here, right? Good job for next 25 years, no doubt for Java. For next 25 years, you can choose this Java field, but you have to work more and more. Okay. See, once you started working, it becomes easy. Once you started working with Java, it's very simple. Most of the trainers, maybe most of the software employees says Java is tough. No, Java is not tough. Java is very simple, very easy. I'll make it very easy. Don't worry. I'll make Java is very easy. Don't worry. Okay. So this is about Java history. So by the year 2010, yes, 90% of existing applications were migrated here. So in the year 2010, Java taken over by the Oracle Corporation. Now Java with Oracle Corporation. Java with Oracle Corporation. Okay, right? So this is history. Okay. Yes, next year. So JDK 1.5 in this fourth edition added, right? Fourth edition added. That means finally Java divided into four editions. Finally, finally, finally Java divided into yes four editions. Four editions. Finally, Java divided into four editions. Okay, these three editions. So these three next FX. Fourth one, fourth edition FX. This is Java FX. Fourth edition. Fourth one, yes. Java FX. JFX means Java FX. So these are complete Java. This complete Java. This is complete Java. Four editions. Four editions. So what are the first about Java standardization? So what is Java standardization? Java standardization. This is Java technology. Just is a Java technology. Just learning Java technology here. Java technology. Just is a Java technology. Just is a Java technology. Like Java language. How Java language working? How Java is working? How Java library working? Complete Java technology. Okay. So Java standardization. This is your course. Your course is this. Java, just learning Java technology. Okay. So this is Java standardization. This is the Java technology part here. Next, Java enterpriseization. So what is enterpriseization here? Enterpriseization, yes, it's a application development here. It's application development. Yes, app. Yes, applications, apps development. Apps development part comes in this category here. Apps development. It's apps development, application development. Application development. This is application development in this frameworks. Yes, all the frameworks. Yes, it contains all the frameworks. Here there are some frameworks to develop the applications. There are some frameworks. Frameworks like a Spring framework, Spring framework, Spring framework. Okay, frameworks like Spring framework. Yes, Spring framework. Okay, next Spring framework. Yes, next Hibernate framework. Hibernate, Hibernate framework. Hibernate frameworks. Okay, all the frameworks here. Frameworks like Spring framework. Next Hibernate framework. Next Starts framework. Starts framework almost outdated. Next, Hadoop framework. Hadoop framework also part of Java. Hadoop framework. Yes, Hadoop, Hadoop framework using for the big data processing. Next, one more Spark framework. Yes, these are for big data. So these are the frameworks. Java frameworks. It's a frameworks area. Frameworks area. Okay. See here in Java, there are two kind of jobs here. First one, developer job. First one, Java developer job. Developer jobs. Next, support jobs. Support jobs. Support jobs. Developer jobs and support jobs. For developer jobs, yes, you need both Java standardization knowledge plus intervention. Both are required. These are required. So frameworks knowledge also. Yes, suppose if it is support job, yes, our syllabus enough. Yes, Java standardization is enough. Support jobs, this part core Java is enough. Nothing but is a core Java. Just our syllabus, core Java. These enough support jobs. Okay. See, after finishing our course, you can put up yes minimum 4 years of experience for support jobs. Support jobs for 4 years of experience you can put up. Yes, suppose if you want to go for support jobs, I can help you 100%. 100% I can help you. Yes, if you want to go for developer jobs, yes, enterprise after finishing framework, just come to me, I can help you. So here core Java, of course, after core Java, next advanced Java also myself and I'm taking advanced Java class also. Okay. So here after finishing all that, come to me, I will guide you. Okay. Yes. So standardization is a Java technology, enterprise is a application development part. Okay. Next, mobilization. Yeah, this is Java is poor in this area. Mobile application development, visual effects. Java is very poor in this area. Java is not recommended to use in this area. For this, alternative softwares available. Alternative softwares. Mobilization. For this, for mobile apps, Android. Android is a leader in this area. So using Android here. Visual effects. There are different softwares like Maya software is available, Premiere software is available, different softwares available in that area here. Java is not recommended in this area. In this area, Java recommended. Yes, enterprise application development is Java is very yes suitable. Java is the leader. Yes, applications like all the online application, internet-based applications. This is the enterprise nothing but say internet-based. These all the internet-based applications. Internet-based applications. Internet-based application development in this area, Java is the leader. It's a king, no doubt. Java is the king in this area. All internet-based applications, Java is a leader. Okay. Yes. So this is about this. Now, yes, Java standard. These are our syllabus. Our syllabus. Yes, of course. Yesterday already given about our syllabus Java standardization. Okay. Yes, just let us review. So yesterday's what the syllabus covering in our topic in our this Java standardization. That SE features. Yes, this day one. This SE. So I don't want to type again. Yesterday I already typed the same thing here. Just I'm copying and pasting here. Just I'm copying that. Yes, again typing and all this wasting of time. Yesterday same thing typed already. Yes, now here see Java standardization. 1 second. Yeah, this is our syllabus. Java standardization. Okay. So what are the features of Java standardization? It's a Java technology. So what's a technology? Yes, you are going to learn here. So first core part of Java. Core part means Java compiler parts. It's a Java compiler parts like data types, next operators, control statements, and Java language syntax. This is part of compiler part only. Okay, like control statements like control statement like if statements, switch case statements, while loop, yes, do while loop, Yes, next for loop, all the statements, all the control statements, control statement, control statements. Yes, in this state control statement, if statement switch case while do well. Yes, how to improve our logic building. Yes, we'll be discussing about how to building your logic, programming logics. Next, how to improve our programming skills. Okay, next coding skills, how to improve our coding skills. Yes, improving your logical thinking and improving your programming skills and coding skills. This area, yes, I'll be focusing for 4 weeks. I'll be taking 4 weeks, 100 programs I'll cover. 100 programs, 70 programs I'll explain. Okay, 70 programs will be explained. Okay, next 30 assignments you have to solve. Daily assignments will be there. Till end of the batch, every day assignments will be there. You have to work on assignments also. Okay. Yes, you have to submit assignments. How to submit assignments, I will tell you. Okay. Yes. So the 100 programs I'm covering here. So 70 programs I'll explain in class itself. Slowly, very clearly, I'll explain. Okay. So by the time of finishing this part, yes, becoming expert in programming. Once you become expert in programming, then easy to understand Java. So next starting groups. Okay. So first 30 days focusing on logics building. So next 45 days complete Java, purely Java. Yes, like oops features. Yes, oops concept. So next oops concept features get in this encapsulation, data abstraction, method overloading. So methods overloading. Okay. Yes, next constructors, next inheritance, next method overriding, next polymorphism, access specifiers, access modifiers, interfaces, package and garbage collection. So these are the OOPS concepts covering. They are the features of OOPS. So these features covering it, OOPS features, all these OOPS concept features. Okay, after finishing core parts, next OOPS features. Okay, yes, after that, next. How to string buffer, string tokener, string builder. So these concepts. Okay, see, OOPS, this is 2 weeks enough. 2 weeks enough. Next 4 weeks, this part is again 4. Yes, more than 4 weeks. Again 5 weeks. This part. This is main topic in Java. Yes, real-time application development starts here. Okay. Yes, how to string buffer, string token, string builder, different kind of things. Okay, depends on scenario. We can use different kind of things. See, these all are to handle strings. These all are to handle strings only here, but depends on requirement. We can use different kind of things here. Some cases using string class, some cases string buffer, some cases string tokenizer, some cases builder. Okay, yet all are to handle strings only, but depends on requirements. We can use different kind of classes. Next, object wrapper classes. So what is this topic? Object wrapper classes. These to make everything is an object in Java. See, object means if data in the form of object, there is security for data. See, why OOPS was introduced in Java? Why OOPS was introduced? Yes, before OOPS we have the C language. In C language, data is public. Data is a global. There is no security for data in C language. There is no security for data in C language. To achieve data security, OOPS concept was introduced. Same that concept was implemented in C++, Java, Python, and Scala. Different language for implementation. Yes, we'll discuss. In actual concept, that OOPS history, I'll explain. I'll explain that history. Okay. Yes. So here, yes, for the purpose of to make the data, to get the data security, objects for introduced. Yes. See this concept. OOPS concept is nothing but objects. Objects. So why that objects introduced here to make the yes data secure here. To make everything is object in Java. If everything is object in Java, the security for data. To achieve more data security, to make it objects for this wrapper classes. Using wrapper classes. Okay. Next, exception handling. So what is exception? Exception is a abnormal termination. Suddenly terminating application. Suddenly terminating. Suppose, for example, banking application. Banking application connecting to database. Connected already. Banking application connected to database. Reading from data from database. When reading from database, suppose network is down. Network naturally happens. Because maybe due to reasons here, some network is down. When network is down, that case application that banking application should not terminate suddenly here. Even network is down, application should not terminate. Application has to display one message. The Java application has to display one message saying that network is down. Please try later. Please try after some time. Or application running slowly. Okay, network is down. That message has displayed on screen. Please wait for some time. Okay, that kind of messages, nothing but exceptions, exception handling here. Okay, so that kind of suddenly unexpected things comes. Okay, application should not be terminated here. That app should not be terminated. That has to display some message. Reasons has to display here without terminating. Suppose suddenly terminating, what happens here? Loss of data. Yes, loss of all the real data. See, banking, customers information, loss of customers information, loss of your bank details, right? Loss of all the right. Suppose depositing amount into account, right? Okay. Suppose you depositing some 10,000 rupees given to that just counter person. Suppose maybe counter 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Given to that person. Suppose that person taken 10,000. Okay. Filling form submitted. Submitted, right? While inserting data in database, network is down. That case, application should not be stopped. Suppose application abnormally stopped, what happens here? Yes, loss of the 10,000. Maybe lost to customer, either lost to customer or lost to bank. Somebody will lose. So for that reason here, application has to, yes, wait, should not terminate. That is nothing but exception handling here. So with the help of exception handling here, we can handle that kind of scenarios. Okay. So that case, while inserting in database, suppose network is down, simply raising one message. Yes, server down. Please submit again. Please submit same form again. Like this, some message. Okay. 1 second. 1 second. Hello. You tell me. No, I'm in class actually. Presently. Yes. So this except next collection components. Collection components. Yes. What is purpose of collection components? See data. Maybe banking customers data or some users data, Facebook users data. So Flipkart login is just all that users data. That data may maintain in database, right? Maintain database. Same data has to maintain RAM memory to get the more performance. Application to give the more performance. Because same data has to maintain inside the RAM memory. Some of Flipkart users, Flipkart customers. Okay. Yes, Flipkart users, that data, maintaining the database, right? If data in the main database, every time reading from database and time taken. Instead of this, the data has to maintain temporarily in the RAM memory itself, not in database, in RAM memory. So how to maintain huge amount of data in RAM area? In RAM memory, how to maintain huge amount of data for this collections is the way. In Java, there are some collection components. Using collection components, you can maintain huge amount of data in the application itself. In RAM memory itself, we can maintain huge amount of data. In RAM memory itself, we can maintain. So for that case, you can use collections. Yes, collections most important. This is very, very important topic here. So without collections, no one, yes, will take it to job. Compulsory collections knowledge required here. Yes, guys who are having 10 years experience also, they must have the good knowledge of collections here. Okay. Yes, compulsory will take the interview and collections here. Yeah, 10 years experience guys also how to face the yes questions on collections. This is very, very important. Every project collections, it's my favorite topic. I'll explain very clearly this is. Okay. Yes. Next IO streams, input output streams. Input output streams means is a file handling concept here. File handling. File handling. So there are different types of files like text files. Yes, CSV files. CS means comma separated values. CSV files. Yes, Excel files. See files. There are different types of files. Let me show one sample data. Yes, CSV files. So this is CSV file, CSV data, comma separate, between fields, comma separation, between fields, comma separation. So this is CSV file. So how to read this data? CSV file can records, right? How to read records from the CSV file? Next, reading records from the Excel file. Suppose Excel. Suppose same employee information in the Excel sheets. How to read from the Excel sheets? Reading data from the Excel sheets. Okay. Sometimes in the form of JSON format. JSON format. Okay, JSON format. Sometimes data is that employee information JSON format. How to read JSON formatted data? So different formats you can get it in real time data processing. Yes, you can see different formats of files here. Different formats of files. Sometimes XML formats, XML files, XML formats. This XML documents, XML format, some XML formats, XML formats. These XML formats, these formats. So in different formats, you get the data in real-time projects. Okay. So this area we'll discuss one real-time project on data processing. Yes, data, how to process different formats of files. Get the server side data processing here. Yes, we'll discuss one real-time project in this area. Okay, next, half this networking. Networking, TCP, one-to-one communication. It's a chatting application. Like a developed, yes, we'll discuss one chatting application here. So one-to-one TCP, transmission control protocol. Yes, here one-to-one communication. One-to-one communication. We'll discuss one chatting application like a WhatsApp. Like a WhatsApp, here some chatting application I'll explain. Funny application. Very interesting this is. Okay. Next UDP one-to-many broadcasting. One-to-many. That means it's a broadcasting like a radio. Radio is a broadcasting, right? Like that here. One computer delivering data to multiple computers network. One computer delivering data to multiple computers. So how? Yes, that application also will discuss. Suppose, for example, so banking system, suppose Axis Bank at the end of day delivering some reports to all their branches. From the head office, Axis Bank head office, from the delivering reports, certain reports to every branch. So at the head office, there is a server. From the server, delivering all reports to all branches, right? So one to many, that's it here. So next after that, multi-threading concept here. Multi-threading. So what is multi-threading here? Multi-threading. See Java application dividing into multiple parts running parallelly. Application dividing into multiple parts running parallelly here. Okay. So what's the purpose of multi-threading? To get more performance. To improve the performance of Java application, high speed. To improve the speed of application, you can go for multi-threading. Multi-threading. Okay. Yes, all these things practically I will explain. Okay, all of this things practically I will explain. So in this first 4 weeks, this part, yes, completely focusing on logic building and improving programming skills. First 4 weeks, 100 programs will be discussing. Okay, yes, you can count it as 100 programs. How many programs covered? You can count it. Next groups features. This is 2 weeks enough. This area. Here this area around 35 days. This area 30 to 35 days. Main important part. Yes, like experience, getting experience. This area. So 35 days of topics, you'll get some experience, good experience in Java. Okay. So next, after finishing multi-threading, final topic, version-wise features. JDK 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like this up to 13. All that version-wise features will discuss. Okay. So next here, these are our syllabus up to this is. Next, this is JDBC. JDBC also comes under SE, Java standardization. Java standardization. Okay, JDBC, but it's advanced Java. Advanced Java. Next, two more features, AWT updates. These were outdated, no one using. Yes, by the year 2004, these two things were outdated. In place of this, Spring Framework came to the market. Spring Framework. These features were replaced by Spring Framework. So this SE. Next, let us go to enterprise. So what are the features of enterprise? Yes, about enterprise. So what is enterprise? Yes, enterprise is a frameworks part. It's the frameworks. It's a frameworks. So exactly what is framework here? Framework, what is, it's a frameworks part here, frameworks. What is framework? Frameworks are ready-made and ready to use. Frameworks are predefined classes, ready-made and ready to use. Okay. See, using frameworks, application development is very simple. We can avoid the coding, we can reduce the coding here. To reduce the coding, frameworks are developed here. After frameworks came to the market here, after frameworks they added in Java, Java application become easy here. Previously, very old days, Java application development may be taken for 1.5 to 2 years also, but now it's taking only 6 months. In 6 months, we are able to finish Java application development because of frameworks. Framework is ready-made one, direct to finish. For example, here, it's about database coding. Suppose Java application connecting database, right? For this part, database coding, right? Suppose if you're writing your own code, yes, it will be around 30 lines of code, 30 lines of code. Okay. Yes, this code, for example, here in frameworks, there's some predefined components available for database purpose. Predefined components available. So directly take that component and use in our application here. The 30 lines of code you can have. Without using 30 lines of code, directly can use that predefined component available here. Predefined Hibernate. For this Hibernate is available here. Hibernate. Using that Hibernate, you can connect to database. So that code is not necessary. Like this, many things available. We can avoid it without writing code, developing Java application. Without writing much code, okay, developing Java applications. See, 80% of code you can reduce. Using frameworks, 80% of code you can reduce here. Within short time, we can finish. That is the advantage of frameworks. That is the advantage of frameworks. See, I'll tell you one example here. See, nowadays constructing bridges. See, bridges construction, right? Bridges, bridges, bridges construction. How they are constructing nowadays? See, very old days, this bridge construction. First, all the pillars, they have to lay down all the pillars on top of pillars, constructing bridge, right? Yeah, that may be taken for 4 or 5 years. But nowadays, what was happening here? So currently, what is happening here? Simply, they are constructing only pillars. On top of pillars, simply they are assembling some blocks, ready-made blocks available nowadays. Yes, ready-made blocks available. Simply, they are bringing yes, ready-made blocks as per their measurements. Okay. Simply, they are assembling. Just they are assembling here. The preachers they are assembling simply. All the blocks are assembling here. So within 6 months, finishing bridge construction. Yes, in Hyderabad, yes, that in Hyderabad it's happening. That flyover bridges, same they are doing like this. Flyover bridges. Yes, within 6 months, 1 year only finished many bridges recently. That's happening like that. Same thing here. Yes, in Java application development also frameworks. Framework is a ready-made one, readily available codes. Okay, like assembling. Just you can assemble the classes and you can develop the application within short time, within 6 months. Yes, one project we developed within 3 months only. One GST application 2017, we have developed a GST application. GST purpose, some GST product we have developed just only 3 months, even 3 months. With yes, including testing, development part just only 45 days we have finished. Development for part 45 days finished. Next, yes, 1 month for testing here, 5 days to set up at the client location. Okay, yes, within 3 months only completed that product. Within 3 months only because of Spring Framework. We have this framework. That's the advantage of frameworks here. Okay. So what are the frameworks using in Java here? Java frameworks. Yes, Struts framework. Yes, Struts framework. These are almost outdated. No one using this is almost outdated. Very old framework. Struts framework is very old framework. Next, Spring framework. Yes, it's a hot cake. Spring framework. Okay. Yes. Spring framework. Yes. Next, Hibernate framework. Hibernate framework. Yes. Hibernate framework. Hibernate framework. Hibernate framework. Struts framework. Spring framework. Hibernate frameworks. Okay. So these all are using for the yes application development. That internet-based applications here. Okay, using this one here. These three frameworks using for the internet-based applications here. Okay. Next, fourth one, Hadoop framework. Hadoop is a part of Java only here. This Hadoop. Yes, who is having good knowledge in Java and Linux, they can work easily in Hadoop. For Hadoop requirements, Java and Linux. Suppose if you have the like good knowledge of Linux, just 50% will be selected for the Hadoop developer. Linux is very important for Hadoop developers. Okay, so Hadoop framework, yes, Hadoop framework. Okay, Hadoop framework. Next, Spark framework. Spark, Hadoop and Spark, they both are big data related frameworks. Okay, yes. So Hadoop framework. So this is to store and process big data. To store and process big data. To store and process big data. This also yes, big data. Yeah, this is for very huge amount of data. Very huge amount of data. Yes. Now here very yes, big data. Nowadays some applications are generating very huge amount of data, like Facebook. For Facebook Spark framework. Yes, Hadoop for some limit is there. Yes, very big data getting that. Yes, we should go for the Spring framework, Spark framework. Sorry, Spark. See, these are internet-based application development. These are to handle big data, handling big data. These are the frameworks part here. This is the interpretation. Yeah, this is about complete Java. About Java history. Okay, Java contents. Just overview of Java. Okay. So next we should discuss about Java features. This part we should discuss. Java features. So this topic tomorrow will continue. These features. Okay. This is complete Java. Java overview. What is Java? Java contains what? Java editions and all the Java features. All the Java completely Java contains this much of things. In this Java, this much of things are there. Yes, our part is this is ninth topic. This topic. This is our syllabus. Our syllabus. To finish the syllabus, it will be taken for 75 days. It will be taken for 75 days. 75 days. So 9:32. Yes, 11 o'clock class. Yeah, enough for today. Yes. So next tomorrow, yes, starting these features. Yes. So till today, yesterday, today, this is all the Java overview completed. Okay. Now we'll start actual topic. Tomorrow starting. So what is independent platform? How Java made us independent platform? How Java is portable? How OOPS language? Tomorrow all the features finishing. After next day installing Java. So tomorrow Wednesday all the features. Thursday how to install Java, how to write the Java programming will discuss. Okay. Yeah, that's all for today. Yes, any doubts? Yes, guys, any doubts? Tomorrow will start that features. Don't worry. Tomorrow I'll start. I'll explain very clearly, very slowly. I'll explain. Yeah, that's all for 1 second. 1 second, guys. See, yes, Yesterday, yes, all some students have submitted their details here. Yes, I'm creating WhatsApp group today. Yes, yesterday some already I think 5 to 6 guys submitted their details. Yes, if any others have to submit, this is my WhatsApp number. Yes, 8179189123. This is my WhatsApp number. Share your details to this number. I'm creating group for our batch. Yeah, this is a WhatsApp communication. For everything you can ask in WhatsApp. Okay, after finishing class, if you have some doubts, you can ping me. I can answer. Suppose in class itself, we can ask doubts. Still, after finishing class, a doubt are there, you can ping in WhatsApp. For any information, I can give it. Yes, your name. Next WhatsApp words you are attending here. Next WhatsApp time. So WhatsApp time. Okay. So WhatsApp time you are attending here. So next, yeah, Gmail ID required compulsory. Gmail ID. Yes. Sharing. Yes, daily recordings. Sharing daily recordings. Next is sharing class documents. Okay, next all this. Yes, for our class, document is available. Okay, document, softwares, and everything I'll share to this Gmail. Take this WhatsApp number. Please take it. If anyone don't have this number, please take it. Yes, share your details. Today I'll be creating group. Okay, I'll add to that group. So communication is group. Every communication, easy communication. Yes, it's helping lots. WhatsApp helping lots. Yeah, I think taken, right? Everyone taken this number. Please take it. Okay. So that's all for today. Okay. So thank you guys. Yes. Yeah, that's all for today. So thank you guys. See you tomorrow at 9:30 sharply starting class. Thank you. See you tomorrow.